Today's topic for discussion is modifications of taproot for storage of food. There are several modifications of taproot system. Taproot, it is a characteristic feature of dicot plants. The modifications of taproot for storage of food is discussed in here. That is 4 types of roots modified for storage of food, that is fusiform root, second nappy form root, third conical root and tuberous root. Next, this is a fusiform root shown in the photograph. It is a spindle shaped root which is very thick in middle region and narrow towards apex and base. Such type of food storing root is termed as fusiform root. The example is Raphanus sativus, that is radish. Next, this is the example of nappiform root that is shown in the photograph. It is a spherical in shape and it has a tail-like apex. Such type of shape of root is termed as nappiform root. It is a modified taproot. It is typically swollen at the upper part and appears spherical. The end point of root is long thread-like. The example of the nappiform root is beetroot as shown in the photograph. Next, this is the conical root. Example is shown, that is carrot, Dacus carota in photograph. This is the photograph of Dacus carota. It is the example of conical root. The shapes of root resemble a cone of ice cream. It is a very broad at the basal region and gradually becomes narrow at the apex region. It is a modified taproot which is gradually becomes narrow toward the tip region and it is considerably broad at the apex. Such type of root is described as conical taproot. Okay, next, tuberous root. The root is the modified in the form of tubers like structures. Tuberous roots are the modified underground stems. The root is thick and fleshy, but the shape is not definite. Such type of roots are described as tuberous roots. Tuberous roots consist of scale and axillary buds. Tuberous roots is a store of food material. It is true root which is thick and fleshy. The example is sweet potato. Its botanical name is Ipomea batatas. All these are the modifications of taproot system made for storage of the food. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.